So the topic is agree to disagree. Now you are agreeing in something and at the same time you are disagreeing to something. Now this can relate with a theory that things are not just black and white, they are colorful. You can't see something just as right or wrong. There may be something right, there may be something wrong in that particular thing. It is colorful. It's not just black and white. As things, as most of the peoples see everything like this only, black and white. Means so we have to same time agree also and disagree also. We have to see that it is also black, it is also white, and it is a mixture of black and white. And there are means more than hundreds, thousands of shades of black and white as far as the gray is concerned. So you have to agree on something and you also have to disagree on something. Suppose you are agreeing on a particular theory that a person is given, how to deal with sadness or overthinking. You have agreed. Now what will happen? You will stop. You will stop finding the solution of overthinking because you have agreed. You also have to disagree that there must be something they're lacking in this thing. That particular theory is lacking in this thing. I will search it. Means when you will practically apply it, there are some loopholes. There must be some loopholes because everybody's life, everybody's experiences, everybody's situations are different. A similar thing can't be applied everywhere. But the person who's telling you, he's also telling you from a particular standpoint. So you also have to agree with that standpoint and disagree from your standpoint because your situation may be different, but you have to agree also and disagree also at the same time. That will give you more learnings of life because if most you can see there are so many people telling you so many things, but you are disagreeing, but you are not agreeing. You are agreeing also, you are disagreeing also. Some people are only disagreeing and only agreeing. You have to combine both. Then only you will truly be able to learn what is he actually saying. What is he actually telling? He's telling us the solution of the problem. It means he has faced himself. So at the same time, we have to agree also, disagree also. This was the meaning of the topic according to me. So thank you.